Ankit, and today we will work on the project Potentiometer Select LED. So let's start. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer, then negative of the potentiometer to the ground. Next, we will connect the output to the positive of the LED and its negative to the ground. Now, let's see. The more I rotate the potentiometer, the more the LED glows. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. And this is how we can rotate the potentiometer and change the intensity of this light. And it's done.